pings at the top of the roll in. How we feeling? Yeah, we're going to do this one, you reckon?
Yeah. I'm nervous.
All right, let's go. Yeah, you feeling it? You feeling it?
Yeah, I got a few little nerves.
All right, well, we've scoped it out. It's the end of the day. We might get another run in after this one, but this is the first time we've all been up on the big boy platform with the reds and blacks. Nice. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be jumping there, but I'm going for it. Oh yeah! I love it when it just feels so good when you land on the down ramp, on the landing rather than on the top, which is my trademark. Flip. Oh dear. Calm down, Graham. Skidding out already. Oh, it's so dark in here. Oh, wait, 470 there. Oh. Fingers have cramped. Ease them up, ease them up. That was good fun. Couple of tasty sections. I didn't even see what happened. Wow, it's too tight a trail. I can't stop for him, can I? Oh. Is he alright? That was hilarious. I mean, we are just having the greatest time ever. Yeah! Yes, Charles! My saddle's a little high for some of those. Oh, that was amazing. yeah. That was amazing. Yeah. Oh, doing insufficient funds. So it's the only red on this bit, I think. This one, just to the right.
You need to go first.
Yeah, because then it's got to be comedy footage, isn't it? They get bigger. Came off that one wrong, and I didn't adjust my stutter. It's still a bit high. No, he's just coasted for it, doesn't he? Look at him, he's gone. Yeah. Pop. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Shit, that one hurt. Oh, that one really hurt. Oh, that was nose heavy. Oh dear. Oh, we both died. You're right. Yeah, it could have been worse.
You did so well as well.
Yeah, I know. I thought we were doing so well.
That was so much fun there.
Yeah. What did you just say, Charles?
I said you're a legend for whipping your heart down that insufficient fun.
As you can see.
You had an insufficient bike.